Sunnyvale, Comtech, Houston, Comtech, air to ground 1.
Houston, Comtech, Sunnyvale, Comtech, air to ground 1, loud and clear, how me?
Roger, loud and clear. I want to do a voice and keying check.
Sunnyvale, standing by.
This is Houston, Comtech, air to ground 1 and 2, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test out.
Houston, Comtech, Sunnyvale, Comtech, 100% modulation, go for keying.
Rog, configure for the pass.
Roger, Sunnyvale configured.
This is Shuttle Control Houston at 35 minutes mission elapsed time. We're less than a minute away now from reacquiring Columbia through Indian Ocean Station. Flight Dynamics Officer Jay Green reports for OMS 2 that the time of ignition should be at 44 minutes mission elapsed time. The Delta V 136.5 feet per second. The burn duration, 1 minute 17 seconds. OMS 2 should result in an apogee of reading 132.5 nautical miles and a perigee reading 132.2 nautical miles. We have acquisition of signal now with Indian Ocean. 36 minutes mission elapsed time.
Roger, Columbia, reading you loud and clear. Roger, and I have your ohms pad for your ohms 2 burn when you're ready to copy. Roger, it's for your cue cards, the cross-feed cue. Roger, for your ohms 2 cross-feed cue, it's 42% on the left and 48% on the right. Roger. Hey. But they don't really make much sense. See some stuff going out of the ones going up firing.
That's Bob.
Roger.
That's Bob Crippen talking to Capcom Dan Brandenstein.
And Cripp, I forgot to remind you to configure AOS.
I'd already done that just about time I called you. You should be in good configuration this time.
Roger. And Columbia, we don't have any S-band yet. We're talking UHF.
Okay, we read you loud and clear. UHF certainly sounds good.
Yeah, it sure does.
Well, the view hadn't changed any. It's really something else. I tell you, John had been telling me about him for 3 years, but ain't no way you can describe it. It's hard to get my head in the cockpit here and do my procedures.
I can imagine.
We got a little particulate chunk floating around the cabin every now and then, and when we get a chance, we're going to get the vacuum cleaner and spiff some of that up.
Roger, we copy that.
Not very much, just a couple of pieces here and there. I tell you, I could not tell about when the MPS was spinning there during ohms 1 that it was significantly affecting our thrust at all as far as the attitude needles was concerned. Just about ready to press into the vacuum inerting terminator this time.
And Columbia, we saw the vacuum inerting going on in Madrid and looked real good. We believe it's all been dumped.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's great. Yeah, we think that too. I just commenting, I don't think we got as much thrust out of the thing as some people were speculating.
Roger.
Like a photo out of it right at shutdown there, though. Y'all might look at the data.
Roger, we'll take a look.
I mean, I don't mean a photo out of the engine, but they're bouncing around in here. You might look at some of the data.
Roger, we broke up a little bit on that. We didn't copy what was bouncing around.
A vehicle.
Roger.
It might have been during the valve closing on the valve. Pre-valve closing, maybe. I don't know.
And Columbia, just for your information, the comm right now is clicking in and out a little bit.
This is Shuttle Control Houston, 41 minutes mission elapsed time. That was John Young reporting to Mission Control that at main engine cutoff there was a little shaking around inside the ship, but no pogo on the engines. Status check in the control center by Flight Director Neil Hutchinson. Go, no go for Ohms 2.
And Columbia, Houston, we got good S-band now and everything's looking good. Roger. Roger, we copy.
Flare.
Roger, Columbia. And Columbia, Houston, we're 30 seconds from LOS. Configure LOS. We'll see you at Yargady at 52 plus 00.
This is Shuttle Control Houston at 44 minutes mission elapsed time. We have loss of signal now with Columbia, the next station to acquire, and about 8 minutes will be Yargady. This is Shuttle Control Houston. This is Shuttle Control Houston at 46 minutes mission elapsed time. We have a report that the external tank came down within 10 miles of a predicted location in the Indian Ocean. At 46 minutes mission elapsed time, this is Shuttle Control Houston. This is Shuttle Control Houston, 47 minutes mission elapsed time. One clarification on our external tank report, that is a projected landing or impact point. "47 minutes mission elapsed time. This is Shuttle Control Houston. This is Shuttle Control Houston, 48 minutes mission elapsed time. We have a report that the solid rocket booster chutes worked okay. Both solid rocket boosters in the water floating normally. This is Shuttle Control Houston, 49 minutes mission elapsed time. We have a report from the surgeon that Bob Crippen's heart rate at liftoff was 130, and John Young's heart rate ranged between 85 and 90 at liftoff. This is Shuttle Control Houston at 51 minutes mission elapsed time. We will have a taped replay for engineers in the mission evaluation room at the Johnson Space Center. And they are looking at the tape replay from camera positions on the pad. This is Shuttle Control, Houston. This is Shuttle Control, Houston, at reacquiring Columbia through Yargity tracking. This is Shuttle Control, Houston. 55 minutes mission elapsed time. Unsuccessful so far in reaching astronauts Young and Crippen through this Yargity Pass. It appears to be
through Yargity.
They're now going to wait until they get a different aspect angle on the antenna to try and call the crew again.
Columbia, Houston, with a UHF check through Yargity.
That's clear, Dental. Howdy, Erie, Columbia.
Roger, we got you now, loud and clear.
That reply...
And Columbia, you just broke up again. We have you for about 2.5 more minutes.
That reply from Bob Crippen on this third or fourth call.
Dental, Do you read me now?
Roger, I got you right now. Reading you loud and clear on UHF, and we'd like an OMS 2 status when you can get it.
Okay, it was nominal and no time. Right now, we're down through the DIPS transition. We're in Ops 2 in both GNC and SM. We've got a freeze drive machine. And I'm on page 1-5, 1-5, and right now we're reconfiguring my CPCs.
Roger, we copy.
That report that the onboard computer is being reconfigured for Ops 2, the on-orbit program. We're at 57 minutes mission elapsed time. This is Shuttle Control Houston, less than a minute away now from loss of signal through Yargandy. That report also that the OMS 2 burn came off as programmed.
In Columbia, Houston, we're 30 seconds from LOS, so we'll see you at Aurora in about 3 minutes.
Okay, Dennis.
This is Shuttle Control Houston at 59 minutes mission elapsed time. Coming up on loss of signal through Yargandy. The next station to acquire will be Aurora Valley. We had a report from the crew aboard Columbia that they're performed the OMS 2 burn as programmed and are presently moving into Ops 2, the on-orbit onboard computer program. 4 major events must occur in the first few hours for Young and Crippen to stay on orbit. First, the onboard computer system must be reloaded from Ops 1 to Ops 2. This has been accomplished. This is needed to align the inertial platforms. Also, one computer is loaded with Ops 3, the entry program, and put to sleep, taken offline. Second, the payload bay doors must be opened to provide cooling through the radiators to Columbia. The flash evaporator has a lifetime of several hours. Third, the inertial platforms must be realigned. They've been drifting since launch and are good only through Rev 5 or 6. Fourth, at least 2 of the 3 fuel cells must be purged with hydrogen and oxygen to rid the impurities. The fuel cells can survive only so many hours without purging. In the mission, they'll be purged about every 8 hours. We'll follow these key activities as they occur. We're at 1 hour mission elapsed time, and this is Shuttle Control Houston. This is Shuttle Control Houston at 1 hour, 1 minute mission elapsed time, less than 30 seconds away now from reacquiring Columbia through Aurora Valley.